Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can check in online with Ethiopian Airlines. First of all, we'll open our browser and type Ethiopian Airlines on our search bar. So the first option, will press web check-in here. So this page will appear, and from here you can see click here to check if you're eligible for web check-in. We're going to press the here button. Here you'll see some requirements to show that you are eligible for web check-in. The first one is the passengers must have an electronic ticket. Second one is flights must be operated by Ethiopian Airlines, and the third one is for partner airlines, you have to visit their respective airlines. So we'll come back to the previous page. You'll see here we can web check in via two options. One via booking reference, with your booking reference, your last name and referral code, and one via your ticket number. So this is how you can easily check in online on Ethiopian Airlines. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.